All right, guys, each week I'm going to show you what I make for lunch, and I got started without you this week and I almost forgot. This week, you see I've been very busy and I really don't feel like cooking as much as I did last week. If you want some real meals, go back and check out that last video, but this week is going to be simple and easy, but still things I like. Sometimes I crave pizza, and at $7.99 or $5.99, even when you go on a deal, it's not really that great. So I found these pizzas. I've already thrown away the box when I put them in my freezer, but they are the great value, tiny little pizzas. They're not quite personal size, but they look like Totino's. But at the time I bought them, they were just 74 cents. And I got about 6. This is my last one. I'm afraid of what they're gonna cost now. If you remember the Morningstar, I buy that at Publix when it's buy one, get one free. They're normally priced at $4 and something, and that's ridiculous. I refuse to pay that. So what I did was I took a couple of the Morningstar spicy sausage patties, which I love, microwaved them just a little bit, crumbled them onto my little 74-cent pizza. I had jalapenos left over. I'm gonna sprinkle that with a little bit of happy cheese. And you know what? We're gonna call that lunch number 1. Now I have a full kitchen where I work, so I will just wrap this and put it in something stable. And I will put it in the microwave about 10 minutes before, not the microwave, the oven, about 10 minutes before lunch. And I can have it. Now, if you don't have access to a microwave, you know what? You can always bake it and just do like you do leftover pizza, heat it up in the microwave. This is my lunch number 1.
And meanwhile, I want to make sure I have a protein for every day of the week, so I'm going to start boiling eggs, and I always start mine off boiling in cold water. This week, I'm also cleaning out my refrigerator and my freezer, and at the things I found, this salad is still good, and I got it a week and a half ago at Sam's. So I'm going to have a salad. I'm glad I love those. I'm going to start with those. I also have the plum tomatoes that I got from Kroger about a week ago. I'm going to add those. You guys know I love my Kerrygold cheese. I'm adding 2 slices of that. I was thinking about the avocado, but I remembered I still had 1 cucumber left from last week, and I'm going to save that avocado. This is my salad for the week. I did add 1 boiled egg, and that's lunch number 2. And while cleaning out my freezer, I found 2 purchases I made at Publix. At the time, they were buy one, get one free with a coupon, and that's on the Sweet Earth tofu meals. And that's when you like to try stuff when they're near free or free. So this one I'm going to try. I made a little salad with it. It's pad thai. The other one is General Tso's, and I love those. Add a salad, and that's lunch number 3 and 4. I also have the cantaloupe that was still ripening from last week. So I'm just going to cut that into several pieces, cut it up, and bag it into different sections. And I will have fresh fruit every day of the week. And as it turns out, I have just enough for one for every day. And when I'm looking for something quick and easy and I'm not sure what I want, I have Standby Campbell's Chunky Soup, lunch number 4. You can't argue that making your own lunch doesn't save money, and if you meal prep, it saves time, and you can make it as easy or as hard as you want, even if it means just picking out your favorite can of soup. See you next time.